Hi guys and welcome back. For this glam and glittery nail design, you will require a base coat, shiny purple nail polish, gold nail polish, top coat and a liner brush. So we'll start off by applying the base coat. Apply a good layer of the base coat and wait till it dries. Once the base coat dries, grab the purple nail polish and the liner brush. Using the two, we will create a semicircle in the bottom of our nail. Dip the tip of the liner brush in the purple nail polish and start creating the semicircle as shown. Fill in the semicircle with the purple nail polish using the same liner brush. Then leave a little space above the semicircle and draw a purple curve using the same liner brush. Fill the space above the curve with the purple nail polish. Then fill in the blank space in the center of your nail with gold nail polish using the liner brush. Once again, dip the tip of your liner brush in the gold nail polish and fill in the space as shown. And that's how the design will look. Seal the design by applying a top coat. Repeat the same process on the other nails as well. That's it for this video guys. I hope you like the nail design. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Share this video with as many people as you can. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.